An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the Earth's surface, caused by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. Earthquakes can occur anywhere on Earth, but they are most common in areas where tectonic plates are moving. The most common cause of earthquakes is the movement of tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are large pieces of the Earth's crust that are constantly moving. When two tectonic plates move past each other, they can grind against each other, or one plate can slide under the other. This movement can cause the rocks to break and slip, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. Volcanic eruptions can cause earthquakes because the magma rising up from the Earth's interior can cause the rocks to break and slip. Landslides can also cause earthquakes if they are large enough to move the Earth's crust. Explosions, such as those caused by mining or quarrying, can also cause earthquakes if they are large enough. There are two main types of earthquakes: shallow focus earthquakes and deep focus earthquakes. Shallow focus earthquakes occur within 70 kilometers of the Earth's surface. Deep focus earthquakes occur within 70 to 700 kilometers below the surface. Shallow focus earthquakes are more common and tend to be more destructive than deep focus earthquakes. The magnitude of an earthquake is a measure of the energy released by the earthquake. The Richter scale is the most used scale to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. The Richter scale ranges from 0 to 9, with each whole number increase representing a 10-fold increase in ground shaking. An earthquake with a magnitude of 7 or higher is considered a major earthquake. The intensity of an earthquake is a measure of the effects of the earthquake on people and structures. The modified Mercalli scale is the most used scale to measure the intensity of earthquakes. The modified Mercalli scale ranges from 1 to 12, with 1 being the least felt and 12 being the most destructive. The effects of earthquakes can vary depending on the magnitude and intensity of the earthquake. Earthquakes can cause ground shaking, landslides, tsunamis, and fires. Ground shaking can cause buildings to collapse, bridges to fall, and roads to crack. Landslides can occur when the ground is shaken loose. Tsunamis are large waves that are caused by earthquakes in the ocean. Fires can be caused by downed power lines or ruptured gas lines. If you are caught in an earthquake, there are a few things you can do to protect yourself. Drop to the ground and take cover under a sturdy table or desk. Stay away from windows and doors. If you are outside, move to a clear area, away from buildings and trees. Do not try to drive during an earthquake. Earthquakes are a natural hazard that can cause widespread damage and loss of life. However, by being prepared, we can reduce the risks posed by earthquakes. Learning about the earthquake hazard in your area. Having an emergency kit that includes food, water, first aid supplies, and other essential items. Securing your home to make it more earthquake resistant.